what's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com. Today's Friday in the shop, and we all like Fridays because we typically dyno cars. And the car we have on the dyno today belongs to Krystal Walling. Krystal is the wife of Jay Walling, who is a longtime employee of LMR, and he is one of our senior customer care representatives. He helps out with tech tickets, and just recently, he is one of our video hosts. Jay does a great job for us, and we're lucky to have him on our team. So this car here, it's a 2018 Mustang GT, so Generation 3 Coyote. Does have the 10R80 10-speed automatic transmission. Other than that, the car is pretty much stock with the exception of a high-flow K&N drop-in air filter and a Resonator Delete X-Pipe. The car does have a set of our 19-inch SVE SP2 wheels, and out back, that is a 305/30/19 tire. Now, as far as some of the other dyno technical data is concerned, it does have a 315 rear gear. We've got 93 octane fuel in the tank, and it being the 10R80, we're going to make a pull in 7th gear, which is the true 1-to-1. We're also going to make a pull in 5th and 6th gear because we struggle with speed limiters and, of course, the OSS sensor as well. Oh, and by the way, factory 2-piece drive shaft, and for what it's worth, the car does have about 57,000 miles. We're gonna make a quick trip around the car, do all the things we need to do, straps are tight, wheels are good to go, and we're gonna make a hit. All right, people, we've got some results. I did have to write it down. I got a little cheat sheet here just because we did do 3 pulls. So the 5th gear pull, the car made 391 horsepower, 369 pound-feet of torque. 6th gear, it made 399 horsepower, 377 pound-feet of torque. And in 7th gear, it made 395 horsepower and 382 pound-feet of torque. So those are your factory numbers. We got a little bit more for you guys today. We are going to load in SCT's preloaded tune for the 2018 and newer 5-liter Mustang GTs. This is their X4 device, and we're gonna do the exact same pulls that we did for the baseline number. So a 5th gear, a 6th gear, and a 7th gear pull. That way you guys can see what the car made in factory trim, you know, with the high-flow K&N air filter and the Resonator Elite in comparison with those modifications as well as SCT's preloaded tune. Keep in mind, individual results will vary. So again, quick trip around the car, make sure we're all good to go. And then we're gonna make a few more pulls. All right, let's take a look at some results with the SCT preloaded tune for the 2018 and newer Generation 3 Coyotes. We're gonna start with 5th gear first. With the SCT preloaded tune, it made 411 horsepower and 376 pound-feet of torque. So if we compare that to the factory run, we gained 20 horsepower and 7 pound-feet of torque at peak. 6th gear, that's with the SCT tune, the car made 416 horsepower, 382 pound-feet of torque. And if you do the math, it's good for 17 horsepower and 5 pound-feet of torque in 6th gear. And of course, 7th gear being 1-to-1. With the SCT preloaded tune, the car made 415 horsepower, 394 pound-feet of torque. And again, if we do the math, that's good for 20 horsepower and 12 pound-feet of torque. So there you go, guys. That's what you can expect if you have a 2018 and newer Mustang GT with the Generation 3 Coyote. This does have the 10R80, so the cars with the MT82 is going to slightly differ. And even if you had the 10R80 car, again, individual results will vary. The tuner is currently available at LMR.com along with a host of other goodies for your 2018 and newer Mustang, as well as 79, the present Mustang, and 1st and 2nd generation Lightning. So if you guys like this video, you know what to do. Give a like, subscribe to our channel for more awesome dyno videos, and for all things Mustang and Lightning, keep it right here with the Real Enthusiasts, LMR.com.